traveling soccer.
I'm not an expert puppeteer or an expert storyteller that I can go make a living like that, but I get to do all those things, and I get to do crafts, and I get to make things with the kids. The best thing is doing things with the kids and getting that response.
Because you've got to remember that, pull your thread.
Okay.
Well, we have a lot of books on CD. Those are good. Some of those books are excellent. And just all the things we offer. We have so much here. That's what people don't know. There are people who do not realize that there's a library here still. After all the years we've been here, they still are sometimes surprised. So the hidden gem is the library itself. Our audience here is they like to do some fun stuff.
I walked in thinking that what we were doing was like basically she gave us a notebook that was already made and like we were gonna write our stuff in it and like make it really pretty, but instead we actually like made a book, so that was kind of really surprising to me. When we were there and we were picking out everything and we were making the books ourselves, it was kind of like you know, comfortable for me and like a really good kind of like homey situation.
Each library can be a little bit different, but at our library, we utilize the team volunteers to help us set up programs, dismantle them, prep for programs like the crafts. They'll help us craft, you know, cut out crafts and things. They shelve the majority of our materials for our department, which is major.
You guys are the future. You're the ones who are going to be taking over and doing things, and educated people, people who are involved, people who care. So important, so important. We are dying from apathy. We need to have people engaged and smart and curious about the things that are going on.
It will.